Hi guys, and welcome to Fix Savers. Just a quick video in our pool table series for you. This is a workaround. If you're coming to stick your pool table slates down and you put your screw through that screws the slate through onto your base frame, and you find that it won't tighten up, you're tightening it up, and all it's doing is it's spinning. The reason for that is this screw's obviously been in that hole several times. The table might have been dismantled a few times over the years, and so that hole is kind of effectively rounded out now, so you're not actually getting any grip on it anymore. But there is a workaround for this, so let's have a look in this video. Okay, so we've got our worst case scenario as we were talking about earlier in the video. We've done this up, tried to tighten it up, and it just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning in the hole. So what we're going to try and do is we've got a similar size screw, it's a little bit thinner, but it does have quite a lot of extra length on it. So we're going to try this with an alternate screw. Yes, we've got the same problem with this screw. So I've just popped underneath and had a look. And the reason for it, I mean, you can see it quite clearly there actually. You can see the angle of that screw is quite extreme. So the screws actually come through on the inside, obviously under there. It's actually come through the wall just here of the base frame. But you can see that angle there, that screw is quite extreme. Whereas what it wants to do, it does always want to be at an angle, but it wants to cut down into the middle of this section here. Whereas you can see it's actually going that way, so that's why it's coming out of the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to try countersinking a new pipe, doing a new pilot hole with the drill. We're going to try changing the angle a little bit. Hopefully we can get a nice fresh hole straight down properly into this section. So I'm just going to get a feel for the angle that kind of screws at the moment. And what I actually want is nearer that angle there. Yeah, we're in there nice and tight now. So that's how to fix that little issue if you get yourself into a bit of a pickle. Thanks for watching guys, we hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please be sure to do us a quick favour in return and hit that like button before you leave us here on YouTube. And also if you could hit that subscribe button, it really would be much appreciated, and we'll see you again with more great content soon. Thanks for watching guys.